Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today, I shall discuss with you about subtraction of rational numbers of chapter 4 rational numbers. My dear students, if a by b and c by b, there are two rational numbers. So subtraction of rational numbers. There are two types of subtraction of rational numbers. One is if a by b and c by b, they are two rational numbers. Both rational numbers have same denominators v and v. So subtract each other. LCM is denominators v. So v divided by v, quotient 1, a into 1 is a. Sign have minus, so a minus. v divided by b, quotient is 1. So c into 1 is c. So a minus b minus c by b equal to a minus c by v. Now second type of subtraction of rational numbers is a by b minus c by d. Here a by b and c by d are two rational numbers. So a by b minus c by d equal to, taken LCM of denominators b and d is bd. bd divided by b, quotient is d. So a into d is ad. Here sign minus, so minus. bd divided by d, quotient is b. So b multiply into c is bc. There, students, here a minus b, a by b minus c by b equal to a minus c by b. And second, a by b minus c by d equal to ad minus bc by vd. Now, second term is examples of this type subtraction. Example 1. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Here LCM is 5. Numerator is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 5. And second type example, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Taken LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. So 6 to the 12. 5 to the 10 minus 12 1 the 12. 7 1 the 7. 10 minus 7. 3 by 12. 3 4 the 12. So 1 by 4. Again, once again, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. 6 to the 12. So 5 to the 10. Now 12 1 the 12. 7 1 the 7. So 10 minus 7 by 12 equal to 10 minus 7 equal to 3. 3 by 12. So 3 4 the 12. 1 by 4. Now one thing is additive inverse. Additive inverse additive inverse of rational number. Students, if the sum of two rational numbers is 0, then they are called the additive inverse of each other. So, one is the additive inverse of 2 by 3 equal to minus 2 by 3, and the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Check it. 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So, the additive inverse of 2 by 3 equal to minus 2 by 3, and the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. So, the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Now, my dear students, I am going to solve exercise 40. Write two important questions of this board. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 2 of 1 is the additive inverse of minus 9. The additive inverse of minus 9. We know that the additive inverse of a by b equal to minus a by b. The additive inverse of a equal to minus a. So the additive inverse of minus a equal to a. Similarly, the additive inverse of minus 9 equal to 9. Answer. Now next question number 6 is the additive inverse of minus 18 by 13. Minus 18 by minus 13. First of all, it's changed in a standard form. So multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. Then it changed into 18 by 13. So the additive inverse of minus 18 by minus 13 equal to minus 18 by 13. Answer. Now question number 2 is right on this board. Subtract minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3. Minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3. So, students, first of all, write after from rational numbers. After from rational number is 1 by 3. So, write 1 by 3 minus, and first rational number is minus 5 by 6. So, minus 5 by 6 equal to 1 by 3, a minus into minus plus 5 by 6. Here we can give a small bracket. Without not a small bracket, write also. So 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 5 by 6. LCM of denominator is 6. 3 2 ja 6. So 2 plus and 6 1 ja 6. 5 equal to 7 by 6 answer. Sorry. 7 by 6 answer, right? 7 by 6 answer. Right? Students, write two important question on this board. Question number 2 and 3. In question number 2, Subtract minus 13 by 9 from 0. Minus 13, 2 of 6. Minus 13 by 9 from 0. Write 0 minus 13 by 9 equal to minus into minus plus. So 0 plus 13 by 9 equal to 13 by 9 answer. And question number 3 is evaluate minus 3 minus 4 by 7. So minus 3 minus 4 by 7. Solve it. LCM is 7. 7 3 ja minus 21. 7 1 ja 7. So minus 4 1 ja minus 4. Now minus 21 minus 4 is minus 25 by 7. Answer of this question. Now question number 6 of 3 is 7 by 11 minus 4 by 11. So 7 by 11 minus 4 by minus 11. Multiply by numerator and denominator y minus 1. So minus 4 by minus 11 change into 4 by 11. Now taken LCM is 11. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 equal to 3 by 11. Answer of this question. Write it. Students, one important question. Write on this board of exercise 4D, question number 4. Subtract the sum of minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 22 from the sum of 33 by 8 and minus 19 by 4. Therefore the required number equal to 33 by 8. 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4. 33 by 8 plus minus 19 by 4. Subtract minus 36 by 11 plus 49 by 22 and solve this. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Now 8 1 ja 8, so 33 plus into minus 4 2 ja 8, 19 2 ja 38 minus LCM of 11 and 22 is 22. Now 11 2 ja 22 minus 36 2 ja minus 72 plus 22 1 ja 22, so 49 equal to 33 minus 38. 33 minus 38 minus 5 by 8 minus 72 minus 49. Minus 72 plus 49. So 12 minus 9, 3. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So minus 23 by 22. Now LCM of 8 and 22 is 88. 88. So 11 8 ja 88. So 11 5 ja 55 and minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 22 4 जा 88, so 23 4 जा 92. Now 92 minus 55, 12 minus 5, 7, and 8 minus 5, 3, 37 by 88 answer. One question again, write on this board. It's question number 5. The sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 21. If one of them is 5 by 7, find the other. Students, question number 5. Let the other number, let the other number be x. According to question, one of them is 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 plus x, 5 by 7 plus x equal to 4 by 21. That implies x equal to sum of both number is 4 by 21 minus one number. So 5 by 7. LCM of 21 and 7 is 21. 21 1 जा 21. So 4 minus 7 3 जा 21. So 5 3 जा 15. Now 4 minus 15 is minus 11 by 21. Answer. Write it, my dear students. Today your homework is solve exercise 4D, question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5. Thanks you. That's all.